Wait.
I let
Fuck
this
you.
be in. Hello guys, welcome to day 14 of Lake Reviews.
Is there a lake?
Yeah, there is a lake. The lake is... This whole thing is a lake
क्या
and
क्या आप लेक देख पा रहे हैं?
we are at Belendur Lake. Huge ass lake, but
Huge
then
as fuck, but there's no water.
there is a lot... This is all water, it's just under the thing.
Yeah.
There is no clean water and it's not a developed lake, so like
Yeah,
there's
nice way to
cows
cover it
here. Yeah, we had to drive all the way here. Hey, my bike cameoed in the lake.
18 kilometers, guys. 18 kilometers.
Yeah, no, we had to drive inside the lake. Like, कहाँ से तो आए हम? And we wanted to go further away, but then traffic.
So it's like we're on a trek or something, not lake or.
And it's in the middle of capitalism bullshit.
I wish
Yeah.
this was more of a capitalized.
At least if the road was cleaned up a little more.
Yeah, a little more like the traffic. Let's go there actually.
Yeah, let's walk.
Yes. So which day we are in?
Day 14.
14. It's a Monday morning,
Yes.
and
Monday
we
morning.
are jobless as fuck.
As fuck.
As fuck.
Why is that cow staring at us?
Seems like we're out of like
Yeah.
somewhere in
These cows are huge.
way out of Bangalore or something. But we are in Belendur.
Yeah, we're in Belendur. Basically Narnia.
Narnia. Have you seen Narnia
I have.
on the bus?
I have.
Not a big fan.
Dude, those movies are the reason why I'm a cinephile.
How do you go from Narnia to Pulp Fiction?
I mean, I did not go to Pulp Fiction.
And is Narnia on your letterboxd?
Obviously.
And what is the rating?
I think I've given the first one a 5. Why are you talking about movies?
Because there's
In
no
Lake
lake
Review.
inside. See.
There's a Nala here.
Yeah, so-
This is a lake. You will drown here.
Try,
Actually,
try,
no.
go.
Actually,
Actually,
no.
go. I want to.
Udhar a lake. Like you see that? You
No,
see that?
no one can see that actually.
No, they can see that.
No, that.
That is a lake. That is a lake. मेरी finger
You're
के ऊपर जो
pointing
है.
at buildings.
No, buildings and there is a lake there.
Okay.
We can see it.
Yeah. Negative, guys. Negative.
क्या negative? Hey yo, the new song.
Much air.
Okay.
Too much air for curly hair guy.
जितने घुंघरू बाल उतना बड़ा
जितने
रंडवा.
घुंघरू बाल सी भाई. ये कहाँ से भाई? What is this?
Anyways, how much would we rate this?
आप
We have a lot of walking to do.
I mean, let's keep something new for this one. This is not a lake. This is semi-lake.
It's a lake. It's a lake.
It's off-roading.
It's off-road lake.
Yeah, off-road. And I'm just tired of my hairs going all the way left. So, tell me your rating. Given that I've not been out so much, and like it's been after 6 months, I woke up at 7 a.m. or something. So, not the right person.
No, I like the view. The view is actually really good.
Okay. But what about the lake, not the view?
Yeah, the lake itself is good. I mean, a lot of it is not even lake. But then like,
I think most of it is not actually.
but then you can't run or jog here. So
Yes. You know, so the surface.
yeah.
Yeah. So there's no lake at all. There's small nalas and this guy is not ready to accept that this is not a proper lake. So
It is a proper lake. It's just that it's not a developed.
yeah.
running,
So you
jogging
hate
lake.
capitalism, right?
Yeah. So we gotta rate it higher.
Yeah. So now you know what happens if there's no capitalism. See, any counter argument or something.
Let's give it a 9.
9. Yeah, 9.
Just because.
Just because there are cows.
No, just because the view is good. And it's huge.
It's good. It's good. Like you can just
It's clean as well, I guess.
go in any corner and be peacefully. So that is good.
I had a good scenic view.
Yeah. So no one is there to judge. Like no. You cannot see. you cannot see any uncle running in Decathlon fit or something, and trying to show that they're caring about fitness, and then go and eat some ghee puri masala dosa.
हम भी खाएंगे.
We are not uncles, by the way, and we cannot see anyone apart from the cows and us. So
And
that
some
is,
dogs.
yeah, that is
We
something.
saw a German Shepherd.
We saw a German Shepherd. by
It
the
was
way.
huge, and it was about to jump us.
Yeah.
Can't put.
Anyway, so I think this is very rare for a lake where people are not doing it, blasting out their fits or something.
Yeah. So that's why I'm gonna give it a 9. How much would you give it?
For lake, for the sake of a normal lake, commercialized lake, it's not. It's around 7.5, but for the vibes, it's 10 on 10, not even 9.
Hey, let's go.
The air we are getting, the
And
Again,
it could have
vibes.
been a little cleaner. Or if we were at a better weather, I would have given it a 10.
that's the whole point. If we clean it, people will start coming here. So then again, it's not 10 on 10, right?
Real.
They just crowded.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Any final thoughts?
Final thoughts that what is the runtime of the video?
6 minutes,
Oh,
20
fuck.
seconds.
Yeah, it shouldn't be this long. No final thoughts. I just want to show the place. So this is the background we have, and see, this is a huge ass lake. We'll put a clip when we see water, little bit of water. See, this is it. What is
This
your
is me.
outro? I've
Bye-bye.
never seen your complete videos.